Welcome to Help Screen. Now, if you want to remove phone number from Discord, first just simply open up the Discord app, and now from here down below, just simply select you over here. Now, here just simply select the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now, after that, just simply select account over here. Now you should be able to see here your phone. And guys, one thing that you should remember that you must have an email address into your account and make sure it is verified in order for you to delete your phone, because deleting your phone alone is not possible. So make sure you have an email verified. And with that said, tap on the phone. And from here down below, you should be able to see here, remove phone number. And after that, it will ask you to verify your password and just simply provide your password that you use into your account and just simply select done once it is provided. And after that, you should be able to remove your phone number. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.